In this video, I will be showing you how to install Opera browser on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Opera. We'll be having the official link. Select it. Here we'll be having the download option. Click it. The download will be getting started. The setup is just around 3 MB in size. Just open it. We'll be having the Opera installer. Open it. We will be getting the Opera installer dialog box. Here we are having this options. Expand it. Here you can decide which are the checkboxes you need to select. If you want to import bookmarks, you can do that. If you don't want to make Opera as a default browser, you can uncheck it. Apart from this, the rest are fine, and click on accept and install. Before we can use the Opera browser, we need to set it up. So you'll be getting this particular interface if it's the first time, or if you are already a Opera user. So I'll just go with, I'm just reinstalling. If you want to import data, you can do that. You can just select the browser of your choice. I'm fine. I will just select next, and I don't want it as the default now. If you want, you can. Next, and we have the light mode, dark mode, and system mode. That looks amazing, the dark mode. Click on next. Yep, this is fine. I will go with the default one. Next. If you want, you can do this. I will just select next, and yep, this is fine. Done. And that's it. Just select start browsing, and we'll be getting the Opera browser interface like this. Yep, that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.